Export recordings as video. Recordings can be exported as MP4 videos by recording the playback. The videos include your interactions with the recording, like the rotation, tilting, zooming, adapting the threshold, or using the default control to display the desired frame. Exporting a recording as video is also only available in the full screen mode. Use the timeline slider to select the frame you want to start the video export. Then tap the red recording button, a la the capture of the screen to start the video recording. Now start the playback and interact with the recording as you would like to see it in the video. To stop the recording, tap on the gray stop square. Now a preview of the recorded video will be shown. The video can be trimmed via controls at the bottom. After trimming the video, this has to be confirming by tapping the Done button at the top right corner. Then use the Save button in the same position to save the video to the iOS Photos app.